Welcome to EarthLink Fiber Internet. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your fiber device at home. The process is simple and usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. No tools or technician required. Let's get started and get you connected. Go ahead and open your install kit. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get online, including your fiber device, a fiber cable, and a power cord. Next, find the fiber jack in your home. The fiber jack is usually mounted on a wall about a foot above the floor. It may be behind furniture or near where your previous internet equipment was installed. Once you've found it, bring your install kit nearby so everything is within reach. Place your device on a flat surface, preferably off the floor, with the back facing you. For the best Wi-Fi signal, keep the device on an open space and away from objects that may block the signal, like cordless phones, baby monitors, or other wireless devices. Now it's time to connect your device to the fiber jack. First, remove the fiber cable from the box. Take off the protective caps from both ends of the cable and set them aside. Insert one end of the fiber cable into the green port on the fiber jack until you feel it click into place. Make sure the red dot on the cable is facing you. Now, locate the fiber port on the back of your device. Take the other end of the fiber cable and line up the red dot with the groove on the port and push the cable in until it clicks. If your install kit includes a red ONT cable instead of a green fiber cable, follow these instructions. Locate your service box in your home and make sure the power and PON lights are lit up green on the box. Take the white ONT cable with red tips out of your install box and plug one end of the cable into the bottom of your service box in the Ethernet or ONT port. There may be a cover over this portion of your service box you have to remove to access the ONT port. Gently push the cable into the port until you feel it click into place. Take the other end of the ONT cable and gently but firmly plug the cable into the ONT port on the back of the gateway and push the cable in until it clicks. Next, plug in the power cord. Connect one end of the power cord to the back of the device and the other end to a working power outlet. Using a surge protector is recommended. When the device receives power, you should see a small green light on the back. Now carefully turn the device so the front faces forward. Your device will begin starting up automatically. During this process, the front light will change as the system connects and updates. This may take up to 10 minutes. Please leave all cables connected and avoid unplugging the device while it finishes powering up. When setup is complete, the front light will turn solid white. That means your EarthLink Fiber Internet connection is ready. Now you can start connecting your devices. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, computer, or tablet. Find the Wi-Fi network name printed on the label on your device. Enter the Wi-Fi password, also listed on the label. Once connected, your device will have access to your new EarthLink Internet connection. You can repeat this process for all of your home's Wi-Fi devices. And that's it. Your EarthLink Fiber Internet is ready to go. If you need help at any point, visit help.earthlink.net/install for step-by-step guidance and troubleshooting. Or visit earthlink.net/contact to chat or text with support. Thank you for choosing EarthLink, connecting you to what matters most.